I'm back with another money making tip. Today I want to talk about building your credit just like you build your house. And it's really easy. You need to lay out a solid infrastructure plan. You need to start building from the ground up, and then you need to see it all the way through. When you're laying out a solid plan, you need to establish what are you trying to accomplish? Where are you trying to go? What are you trying to use this personal or business credit for? The second thing you need to have is a strong foundation. You need to have what's called a credit mix. So that's installment and revolving lines of credit, right? You need to have some trade lines. Make sure that you establish that foundation. And then the third thing is going to be to see the vision all the way through. So a lot of people think that, okay, I'm just going to get my credit fixed and I'm going to start getting all this funding. That's not how it works. It will take time. So you need to establish that it may take a year for you to get your credit in position to do what you need to do, but you need to see the process all the way through. You need to be adequate with making sure you're having anywhere between 3 to 7% utilization. And that's going to take diligence. That's going to take writing down your minimum payment date, your statement date, as well as your closing date. And they are all three things. And actually learning the process of credit and how it works and how to make sure you are in the right position. You need to make sure your inquiries are low. So it's a lot more than just saying, hey, I want to have credit. You need to treat it like a house and make sure you have those three things and you're going to be successful.